Good morning, dear students of class 10th. Today I am going to teach about the subjects in geography. The first chapter is the resource and development. Before I am going to teach about these subjects, I am telling one thing very sharply. What attitude you guys are possesses on class 9? Just change your attitude and behavior on class 10th, because class 10th means it's a board exams, means your focus is only on studies, and remaining all other activities are not you are participating by any cost. And these words be carefully keep on your mind. So let I discuss the first chapter, resources and development. In resources and development, only the two questions or three questions are mainly came in board exams or your midterm exam, pre-board exam, pre-board 1, pre-board 2 exams. The questions are always came. The first one is the what is agenda 21. Second, what are its features. Second questions are having what is sustainable development and what is economic sustainable development, or sustainable economic development, what it is, explains its features. And third question is what is conservation and how we can conserve the natural resource, etc. These three questions are always come either 3 marks or either 5 marks. So today I am going to discuss about the first question, what is agenda 21 or what is International Earth Summit 1992 Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro is a place. It is the capital city of Brazil. In 1992, the first Earth Summit was held in this place, Rio de Janeiro, the capital city of Brazil, where the 100 nations heads are participating, and this was called as the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, where hundreds are participating, and they decided to develop the concept of sustainable development in the whole world. So come agenda 21, what it is. Agenda 21. It has been signed by world leaders at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, UNCED, United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. The main agenda is to achieve the global sustainable development by combating environmental damage, poverty and disease through global cooperations on common interest, mutual needs and shared responsibilities. The major objective of this agenda is that every local government has power to draw its own local agenda 21. So before going to this agenda 21, the concept, what the objectives of the agenda 21, we have know about the what is International Earth Summit 1992, why the leaders are get together on that place. The Rio de Janeiro conference held on 1992 at Brazil. The concept of this project was how to achieve the sustainable development in the whole world. The main focus of this summit was to protect environment and socio development at the global level. When you are answering the question, either agenda 21, we have must wrote about the international first Earth Summit was held in 1992. This what the objectives come from the Earth Summit, what the objectives come from the International Earth Summit 1992, that is the agenda 21, what features they recommended on United Nations Conference of Environment and Development. The features are called as the agenda 21, and each states means here the each countries are follow the concept of that agenda. Means local government here means not your state government like that. Means local government means international level, each country can draw which was best for their country's sustainable development. So whenever you write agenda 21, the first International Earth Summit was held in 1992, where the 100 heads are participated, and the objectives of this Third point, objective of this international summit was that to protect the environment and socio-economical development at the global level. Fourth, it was held in 1992, place at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Here, the main development was Here, the main agenda was global sustainable development by combating environmental damage, poverty and disease through global cooperation and common interest, mutual needs and share responsibility. Means each country is responsible how to fight against the poverty, environmental damage and diseases. The common example right now the latest example is the coronavirus. Suppose coronavirus COVID-19, it was find out on 2019 on December month, and it was spread by the country like China. But right now whole country suffer by this virus. So how to control, means with mutual cooperation, with take the responsibility how to save the human beings. This is one of the concept, global fight for disease. Whole world is right now looking for this concept, how to fight against and recover the whole human being. So these are the main concept about the Agenda 21. We can give example right now, examples for COVID-19, how to whole world suffer by the diseases, and we can how to manipulate the whole world for the saving of the whole human being. This is called as the Agenda 21. But right now this is not Agenda 21 commander, but this is, I'm just giving the example. It's already mentioned in your book, development of combating environmental damage, poverty and diseases through global cooperation and common interest. Through global cooperation and common interest means whole world is right now suffer by this coronavirus. So that's why this is the whole world looking for that how to save human beings from this disease. Okay, if you have any doubts about this concept, point was 3 point, 5 point, many points you have to write about that. Either 3 more questions come, you have directly write about the answer, agenda 21 what it is, but you have to must start this answer. International Earth Summits 1992. First point, held at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Third, what the objectives is there, and 100 heads of the leaders are participating. Fifth more question, every local government can draw for their each state, it means each country their own Agenda 21. That's all for this question, and remaining question we will discuss later. First question, if any doubts, just send me on my WhatsApp number. If you have not understood the concept of Agenda 21 or International Earth Summit 1992. The concept is, I know, resources and development, but before which questions are always come, I can discuss on this video. Thank you.